Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwatunseyi. I welcome you back to another episode of air fryer recipes. Keep watching as we experiment making our plantain frittata in an air fryer. Frittata is an Italian word which simply means fried. And so it is an Italian dish which is not made without including eggs, because fried beaten eggs are the main ingredients. It can be made to look like a cake or scrambled eggs. So we're going to be including plantain in our frittata. Without wasting time, let's swing into it. We have our sweet peppers, 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 2 small red onions, 1 cup of shredded chicken, 4 small sized tomatoes, 2 small sized cloves of garlic, 6 eggs, 2 plantains. I have some of my tools here: garlic press or crusher, knife, spatula or spoon, measuring spoons, banana or plantain slicer. Then I have 5 stalks of parsley. Put all these aside and chop the veggies. We will start by dicing the tomatoes. Remove the seeds and chop to your desired size and shape. Next is the onions. Then the bell peppers. Remove the seeds and dice as you like it. Crush the cloves of garlic. It's now time to slice the plantains. Slice the plantains into thin slices. Crack the eggs. Grease the pan by spraying the pan with oil spray, or you grease generously with a brush. This will not be necessary if you would like to saute your onions and ginger first so as to release the flavors. Pour 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Heat up for 1 minute. Pour the onions, add your salt, chili pepper, thyme, curry, and add the bell peppers, tomatoes, and allow to saute for 2 minutes. Let it go for another round of 2 minutes. Bring it out and add the crushed garlic, then stir together. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the eggs. Pluck the parsley leaves and pour into the eggs. Then you pour the shredded chicken. Pour everything into the scrambled eggs and mix together. Spray the pan with olive oil and pour the whole preparation into the pan. Decorate the top with the plantains nicely arranged on the top, ensuring no part of the egg and the vegetables are exposed. This means the plantains have a lot to do. Spray with olive oil and put into your air fryer. Use the bake function, which is 175 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes, but we are going to use 20 minutes for this recipe. At 10 minutes, use your spatula to press down the plantains and continue with the air frying until the remaining 10 minutes are over. Here is our air fried frittata, or Nigerian pizza as it is sometimes called. Try this, you will like it. Thanks for watching. Kindly click the like button if you like this video, and then hit the notification bell and click all so that when I post any video, you will be notified. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.